Good day, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. I am Gina B. Pastor, and now we're going to talk about a very interesting topic: gender roles and stereotypes. But before we start, let me introduce my special guest. Joining me today is the current captain of Barangay Washington. When you were growing up, what were the common expectations for boys and girls in your family?
Ang gusto ko lang sa mga anak ko, lalo na pag may anak akong babae at saka lalaki, sa pamilya ko, na yung anak kong lalaki at babae magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan, magkaroon ng mabuting ugali at saka makapag-aral ng maayos upang sa kinabukasan ng kanilang pamilya din na magkaroon ng magandang buhay.
Do you think gender roles have changed over time?
Okay, yung sa trabaho ng lalaki at sa babae lang, lalo lang sa bahay, patas na yun, pareho lang yun. Importante makapagtrabaho sila na pareho na walang, ang tawag nito, patas na pagtrabaho, kahit lalaki at sa babae, pwede naman gawin. Ang gawain ng lalaki, pwedeng gawain ng babae. Ang gawain din ng babae, pwede din gawin ng lalaki.
What are some stereotypes about men and women that you believe are unfair and true?
Okay, pareho lang yun, babae at saka lalaki, lalo na yun sa pamilya. Yung nanay magtrabaho upang may taguyod at kinabukasan ng anak. Ganon din ang tatay, ang lalaki, magtrabaho din upang magbigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ang kanilang mga anak. Lalaki at babae, yung gawain ng lalaki pwede rin gawin ng babae, yung gagawin ng lalaki pwede rin gawain ng babae. Pareha lang yun. Basta silang dalawa ay komportable sila sa paggawa ng para sa ikagaganda ng kanilang kinabukasan.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you for coming also, my dear children. Thank you for coming this morning.
And that's all for today's episode about gender roles and stereotypes. I hope this interview helped you understand how these roles shape our daily lives and why it's important to see people beyond gender labels. Remember, everyone deserves to be treated equally, whether you're a boy, a girl, or anyone in between. What truly matters is respect, kindness, and being true to yourself.